Hello students, how are you all? Today, in the present video lecture, we all are going to discuss a very interesting topic of your physics section, and that is work and energy. So let us get started with the topic now. In the chapter, the very first concept that we have to discuss is the concept of work. Let me tell you very clearly that the work that we are talking over here is not the mental work. We are going to discuss about the physical work over here. The work in which some force is applied on a body, and as a result of that force, a displacement is observed in the body. Right? So let us get started. Over here, what I have told you is that work done is equal to force into displacement. क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? That अगर हम किसी बॉडी पर वर्क कर रहे हैं तो as a result of that work, उस बॉडी पर as a result of that work, the body will be displaced, and that displacement will be only because of the force applied. Right? वो displacement क्यों हुआ है? क्योंकि बॉडी पर एक फोर्स लगाया गया है. So now, according to the scientific concept of work done, the formula is W is equals to Fs cos theta, according to which cos theta is angle between force and displacement. Theta is the angle between force and displacement. So, the various cases over here will be the very first case if the force and displacement both are in the same direction. That means the value of theta will be 0 degree and the value of cos 0 is 1. So, in such conditions, Fs into 1 will be W is equal to Fs. That means over here the work done will be a positive work. Then in the second case, we have the force in a particular direction and the displacement is in a direction opposite to it. If the force is in a particular direction and the displacement is in a direction opposite to it, then what will be the condition? Let us see. Theta in such condition will be equal to 180 degree and cos 180 is equals to minus 1. That means work done will be equal to Fs cos 180 Fs into minus 1. That means minus F dot S will be the work done. Work done will be minus F dot S. Alright. Now, the third case is that theta is equal to 90 degree. That means the force is in a direction perpendicular to the direction of displacement. In such conditions, work done will be equal to Fs cos 90 and that will be equal to Fs into 0. So work done will be equal to 0. We will say that 0 work is being done in such cases. Alright. So please note down these 1, 2 and the 3 cases of work done according to the scientific concept of work, that we will be heading on further with the next topic, and that is energy. Okay. Now, if a body is doing some work, that means the body will require some amount of energy. अगर हम कोई work कर रहे हैं, तो definitely हमें उस work को करने के लिए कुछ energy की requirement है, right? So, if the work is done by the system, we will say that it will lose energy if the work is done on the system, if the work is done on the system, it will gain energy. These are the two conditions of energy transfer, that if the work is done by the system, it will lose energy. If the work is done on the system, it will gain energy. Alright? Alright? The SI unit of both work and energy is joules. That means whatever the amount of energy is dissipated, whatever the amount of energy is dissipated or utilized by a machinery or by a body is equal to the work done by it, is equal to the work done by the body. Right? Now, we have two forms of energy. Kinetic energy, the energy due to the motion of an object. If an object of mass m is moving with a velocity v, it will possess a kinetic energy that will be equal to 1 upon 2m into v square. And if an object is possessing potential energy, then it will be having, see, potential energy is of two types. One is elastic potential energy, that is the potential energy presented in a flexible objects like a rubber band. जब आप rubber band को stretch करते हैं तो it has gained some energy, and this is elastic potential energy. On the other hand, the energy present in an object when it is taken to a height against the gravity, that is known as ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. उसको हम कहते हैं ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, बिकॉज इन सच केस द वर्क इज डन अगेंस्ट द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ अर्थ. सो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय m into g into h, that is mgh. Potential energy is represented as mgh, right? Okay. Now in the next video lecture we will be describing the chapter further. Till that time, revise on your chapter, complete the notes. All the best, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.